How to fix Instagram message primary and general options not showing. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and open Settings and Activity. Now, make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. Next, return to your Instagram inbox and check your messages. For professional accounts, Instagram can provide primary, general, and requests folders to organize your DMs. If the primary and general tabs are still missing, completely close Instagram and reopen it. If the options still don't appear, try logging out and signing back in. You can also check your messages through Instagram's web version to determine whether the issue is limited to the app. Keep in mind that some Instagram messaging features can vary by account, region, and account type. That's how you can troubleshoot Instagram primary and general tabs not showing. If this video helped you, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Instagram tutorials.